Hey people on Amazon, I'm coming at you just with like a quick sort of thoughts video on this keyboard I got for my overall PC and desk setup that I'm currently using. I use my PC usually all the time for both like live streaming YouTube content and also some work stuff and also gaming. But this is Arteck. It is a wireless keyboard. It uses a little like USB-A dongle that you plug into your PC as the receiver. And it's a overall nice slim keyboard, as you can see right here. It charges via micro USB, which is kind of sort of a negative on here. If it was USB Type-C, I'd appreciate that a little more for fast charging, but it doesn't have that. It's made of basically all plastic, and it's essentially like a membrane keyboard that's low profile. I'd essentially call this keyboard like it's essentially like one of the old current Mac keyboards, but I'd say it's mostly for Windows. And I like the color of it. It's very clean aesthetic. Has all the standard function keys and stuff. Has a numpad, which is nice if you're doing accounting stuff or Excel spreadsheets or just need to access, like numbers. But it has everything I need. It's easy to turn on and off. It just has a switch right here. It connects to your computer really quickly. I've had literally hardly any technical issues with this. It's heavy enough. It's pretty lightweight, but it's heavy enough to not move around on your desk. And yeah, it's thin. It's easy to use. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but that's the sort of sound you'll get. Not a lot of key travel on here since it is like razor thin, but it's enough. So if you're looking for like a really budget, keyboard, I think this is a good one to go pick up. So hopefully that helps.